Why don't you describe Ashtanga for some of our listeners that may not, really know what Ashtanga Yoga is?
So Ashtanga can be different to different people. It's a flow it's a vinyasa flow. You do one series every day. It's called primary series until you graduate to the secondary series. The best thing I like about Ashtanga is that it's called the Mysore style because it was developed in Mysore.
Okay.
And there's no teacher sitting on your head and telling you what to do. So it's your own practice. It's a very personal practice. So it becomes very deep with time. And you can just decide you can wake up and see how you're feeling and take it on that particular day according to that day. You can be really fast, you can be like really flowy, and you can be really strong, or you can just decide to focus on breath that day. You'll be doing the same things, but the focus will be completely different.
Okay.
So it just gives you, the result will be different on that day.
So is the idea to just complete that primary series? So as you said, you might be feeling more energetic, you might focus on breathing, you might do it in a more...
the idea is you don't want to do the whole primary series in one go, at least if you're a beginner, because you might want to take a 2-hour nap after that. So it's especially recommended to do it with a teacher because the teacher will guide you onto how to progress into it, how to start, what to do, how to build strength, how to build stamina, how to breathe in a certain way that won't tire you out by the end of it. So the whole idea is not to complete anything. The whole idea is to just feel really energetic post the class. You need to feel refreshed and really amazing, kind of like that glow kind of thing you need to feel from inside to start the day.
Yeah.
You shouldn't feel tired, ideally. Okay, you might be feeling tired because it depends on how healthy, active, what your lifestyle is, depending on all of that.
Okay. And why did, you pick Ashtanga over all the other styles that you kind of explored?
I just connected with it. It's just a personal thing. Yeah. I felt like I don't really do group classes, and this is the only style that allows you to do your own thing in a group class.
Okay.
So you enter a Mysore room and you see 10 people. They're practicing different stuff. They're practicing their own practice. So it's your personal practice in a group. So that's the best thing I like about it.
Interesting. And how did you kind of go about, once you had kind of taken a call on, okay, Ashtanga Yoga is the one for me, this is what I want to do. How did you kind of go about doing the research, or, were there any people that you spoke to that, kind of pointed you in the direction of, picking wherever the classes that you were taking and the professional that you were working with, and then that direction, or was that something that just came naturally?
It was quite random.
Yeah.
And as I said earlier, I just went to Mysore. The first time I got really bored there, but then when I got back, I realized...
You pushed through it. Yeah.
So I tried to find a teacher in Delhi who teaches a similar style, and I found one. And I practiced with him for around another 1.5 years before going to Mysore again. So that's how I got into Ashtanga, basically.